Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to the next topic of Go for Beginners series, which is Go operators. So operators are basically used to perform operations on variable and their respective data values. So Go grouped the operators into 5 different types. So these are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So the arithmetic operators are basically used to perform common mathematical operations on the data values. So Go supports these arithmetic operators, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, as well as decrement. Then next we have the assignment operators. The assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variable. Okay, so these are basically the assignment operators which are generally be used in a Go or Go supports. So these assignment operators are mostly used to assign the values to the variable. However, the assignment operators also provide you the facility to modify value in a different way, like plus equal to, we have minus equal to, which will decrement the value and then assign it to the variable, right? So these are the assignments operator which Go supports. Then next we have comparison operators. So comparison operators are basically used to compare the two different values. So we have equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. So the result of the comparison operators are always either true or false. This is the only result that comparison operators can give us back. So these are very useful in any programming languages. Go supports all these comparison operators. Then next we have a logical operators. So logical operators are used to determine the logic between two variables or the values. So for example, we have logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. So logical AND is basically used when both the side of the statements are true. It will return true if both statements are basically true. However, in the case of a logical OR, it will return true if any one of the statement is true. And then in logical NOT is basically reverse the result or negate the result. Okay, it will return false if result is true. So it is just to kind of give us the opposite values that you want. If it's true, then it will convert it to false. Okay, so these logical operators are very heavily used in almost all the programming languages. Then lastly, we have a bitwise operator, and all these bitwise operators are used on the binary numbers. So we have AND, OR, XOR, then we have zero fill left shift and signed right shift. Okay, so these are some of the bitwise operators which are used, and these are the description along with their simple example. So I hope you understand what are the different kind of operators that available in Go and what Go supports. I suggest that you should create few programs and try to use these operators on your own so that you will get good hands-on on this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.